Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me welcome myself back because I know I said I was gonna be on here, but your girl has been not being consistent. Okay, but I'm here now, so let's focus on the now. All right, we'll worry about that later. All right, so we're gonna go in. I have had these dusty rays in for way too long. This content has been in my camera way too long. I almost about deleted it, but I was like, you know what? You did the recording. Go ahead and share what you about to do. All right, so we're gonna get right into it. Cut these braids out. Don't cut your hair out. All right, because if you do, that's on you. But remember, it'll grow back. We just don't know how long it's gonna take. Okay. First thing I wanted to do was go in with my Donna's recipe conditioner. Not my stuff going off. Okay, I'm in the middle of a video. Okay, we're gonna go in with some conditioner just because I want to soften the hair up. I really like the consistency of this because it's very light, has a nice light smell to it. But most importantly, it's gonna soften the hair up so that when I'm going through it, it's not gonna say dried out. You know, it's gonna give me that moisture that I need right before I go shampoo. Now this is totally just what I decided to do. Right? Okay. My baby's supposed to be in the bed. Okay, not this one right here, the other one that you're going to see at the end of this video. She's supposed to be in the bed right now, and she keep on texting me. All right, I'm going to have to shut that phone down. Anyway, we're going to go in and put some water in there, and then we're going to put some conditioner in there, and then we're going to twist that baby up. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm trying to make sure that there's no tangles in the hair. All right, because I'm not trying to have to do all the extra detangling when it's time for the wash. Right, because we don't need to be doing all that. Let's get through this, and then I'll tell you what we do next. This scalp massage, when I say my scalp was on fire, the scalp was on fire. I don't know what was going on. But what I know is that it's time to wash, okay? Consistency of this also is amazing. It has a nice velvety feel for it. It's real, it's like a thin, but just enough creaminess to make it like, oh, okay. Yeah, we're going to use that. All right, so went in on the scalp, and now my child is at my door. Ma'am, what is it? What is it that we need? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. You know when it's bedtime, everything goes wrong. She done knocked her nose. She done felt it. She got something on her arm. My little one is just up out the bed because she's wondering when I'm going to check on her. It's just all the things. Okay, so anyway, my hair is feeling good. It's clean. I'm going in now. You notice how I'm detangling the entire way because I really want to make sure it's fully detangled by the time we are done and we are rinsing out. Okay, because I'm ready to just get into the style after this. I'm ready to get into the style, and what I'm gonna tell you is this is one of the best wash and goes I've had in a while because I took my time and I thoroughly cleansed every strand. I don't usually wash my hair like this, but for the sake of the video, I said let me show my girls how we getting it done today. Girl, I appreciate you, and I will see you next week. Bye.